The doorbell supports an extensive 1,312 feet working range, depending on the operating environment, making it viable for most long-range setups in houses and gardens. The huge selection of 52 tunes guarantees you will be able to find something you like and suit your seasonal mood. The built-in 40mm stereo speaker delivers clear and well-balanced sound up to 115 decibels, meaning it is loud enough to be heard in other rooms and by those with impaired hearing. The receiver bell can be muted whenever quiet is needed, using the LED indicator to still show when you have a visitor. The replaceable 230 mAh CR2032 lithium battery has an ultra-long lifespan of up to 3 years, saving you the annoyance of frequent purchases and replacements. The impressive IP55 dustproof and waterproof rating and the approved working temperature range of -4°F to 140°F make the sender button tough enough to withstand almost any outdoor conditions. The push button is easily attached to a wall or door frame with the provided screws or adhesive patch. The receiver bell only needs to be connected to a power socket and does not need to be wired to the push button. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Large selection of tunes. The doorbell holds an impressive selection of 52 chimes and tunes from many different styles. With this wide variety of options, you'll be sure to find something you like. It even includes holiday season tunes to create the right mood. The adjustable volume reaches up to 115 decibels, which is clearly audible for seniors and can be heard even while loud party music is playing. Number 2. Great for home, office and more. Thanks to its durable weatherproof casing and long operating range, this wireless doorbell set is perfect for almost any place, from home, apartment complexes, to office buildings and more. Number 3. Plug and play. The doorbell kit is practically ready to start using right out of the box. Simply connect the receiver to a power outlet and attach the transmitter to the exterior wall using the provided screws or adhesive patch. Your doorbell is now ready to use. Number 4. Expandable doorbell system. If you have any quality problems, you can reach out to us for after-sales services. Expand your existing doorbell system with up to 2 transmitters and unlimited receivers. Build your own simple alert system. Number 5. Ultra-long wireless range. Boasts a remote connection of up to 312 feet, 400 meters in open space and does not interfere with other equipment in your home. Number 6. Pleasant chimes. The receiver bell features 52 tunes and 5 adjustable volume levels ranging from 0 to 115 decibels. An LED indicator alerts those with impaired hearing or when the doorbell sound is temporarily unwanted. Number 7. Robust push button with ultra-long battery life. IP55 waterproof rating to withstand the harshest weather. Tested in temperatures of -4°F to 140°F. Ultra-low power consumption and CR2032 lithium battery give a lifespan of up to 3 years. No need to worry about frequent battery replacement. Number 8. Easy to set up. Simply plug the receiver into a power outlet and attach the transmitter to the exterior wall with the provided screws or adhesive patch. This wireless doorbell set is by far the most convenient choice for your home and business. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.